Hello and welcome to this video on how to restart a geometry optimization calculation in ORCA 5.0. So the example I'm giving here is maybe you have had a geometry optimization which has suddenly stopped. You're not quite sure why. There's been no error message show up. You've looked at your ORCA output file, and at the end of it, it just stops. You've got calculations running well. It seems like everything's going okay. Some of the geometry optimizations steps have been completed, and then suddenly nothing. So in this case, it's usually okay to just restart the calculation without doing an awful lot of extra troubleshooting, simply by finding that previous or most recent optimized geometry, well, not completely optimized, but most recent step in the geometry optimization, take those Cartesian coordinates and just run your input again. I'm going to show you that, and I'm also going to show you a way to try and make use of any of the pre-existing wave molecular orbital occupancies that have been calculated. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find that geometry optimization. So the way that ORCA terms that is a cycle. So I'm going to go to the most recent one. So this is showing me geometry optimization cycle 1. If I go to the most recent one, it will be 14 in my case, and it will give me the Cartesian coordinates. It'll give me a bunch of other coordinates as well, of course. But the one I'm interested in are the Cartesian ones, because those are the ones that I can just copy and paste straight into my input file. So this is my previous input file here. This is going to be the one, I want to get rid of that. So this is going to be the one that I'm going to change. So these were the original coordinates. I'm going to change those to my new coordinates like so, and there we go. So this is a step along the optimization. It's not the original starting point, but the calculation can be started from this point. Now, this is usually sufficient for most geometry optimizations. Other kinds of runs will automatically read in wave function information and molecular orbital occupancies from what's called a GBW file. So if I look at my directory, I would be able to show you that. So if I just open up the directory, I can find it here. So if I go through this, you'll be able to see it. So here it is here. So this GBW file, there we go, GBW file. That's the one which will include wave function information, molecular orbital information, if you don't want to have to calculate that again. And if you want to make use of that, then you'll need to add an extra few lines to your input file. So the first one is exclamation mark mo read, so to read the molecular orbitals, and then you're going to want mo imp. That's going to be the one that is going to tell the program which file to use. So in this case, it's EU-4NO3.GBW, like so. And that would be enough to then run the calculation and then also restart my calculation using those previously written molecular orbitals from that cycle 14. However, I don't want to do that in this case, so I'm just going to remove that. That's just something for your knowledge, and then I'm going to go and make use of that and run that in my restart folder. So I'll take the input file there, make sure I've got the right one. Okay, that's it there. So I'm going to copy that, bring it over into the restart. So yes, of course, I want to replace it. Then open up my PowerShell and then just write ORCA and then my EU. Then it out, and then hopefully that will start running again. And it's as simple as that to get ORCA restarted again from one of those kind of unexpected stoppages. So thanks for watching this. I hope this has been useful for you. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything that's not clear or what you'd like me to help explain to you next time, or if you've got any problems, I'm always here to help. If you like this, then please, of course, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.